For example, Aman, beta 13 and A2582973.
Number. The data type number contains numeric values.
It does not accept letters or other symbols except numbers.
For example, 46, 2004, 1989, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Currency. The data type currency contains symbols for currency, decimals, and commas wherever needed. For example, rupees 100.45, $45, and 20 euro. Date, time. The data type date, time contains the data and time. Calculations can be made on this field. For example, 1, 1, 2000, 1, 1, 2006, and 11:45 a.m. Memo. The data type memo contains long text with all kinds of data. For example, hello, my name is Raman. I am 10 years old and I live in New Delhi.
Yes or no. The data type yes or no represents only one of two values, that is true or false, or yes or no, or on or off. Creating a table using design view. In design view, you have to first create the table's structure. To create a table using design view, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the table design from the tables group. A new table in design view opens up. Step 3. Type the name of a field in the field name column and press the tab key to move to the data type column. Step 4. An arrow appears for the drop-down list in the data type column. Click the arrow and select the data type according to your field name from the list. Step 5. Press tab key to move to the description column and type a description of the field. The description of the field is optional. Step 6. Save the table after adding all your fields by clicking Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 7. Type the table name and click the OK button. Access 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Table Design command from the Tables group of Create or Create tab to create a table using Design View in Access 2013 or 2016. Do you know the bottom half of the Design View window displays the field properties for the field type you have selected? The field properties can be set to control the appearance of information, prevent incorrect entries, and also specify the default values. Practical in Computer Lab. Create a table structure as given. Guidelines. Step 1. Click Create tab. Table Design from the Tables group. Step 2. Use the field names and data types as given. Step 3. Save the table. Primary key. A table should have at least one field that has a unique value for each record. For example, in a school database, the roll number of each student uniquely identifies each student of a class. You might have the same name, but you never have the same roll number as your friend. So, in the school database, the roll number field is the primary key. A primary key does not allow null values and must always have a unique value. A primary key is used to relate a table to foreign keys in other tables. Do you know, if you do not define a primary key, Microsoft Access asks you to create it when you save the table. Switching views. Access provides different views to work with your data. You can easily switch from one view to another. There are 4 views to work with the table. Number 1, datasheet view. Number 2, pivot table view. Number 3, pivot chart view. Number 4, design view. The 2 main views are the datasheet view, spreadsheet view, and the design view, table structure view. Datasheet view. It displays the view in a row or column format which allows you to view, enter, or manipulate data. Design view. It displays the view which allows you to enter field names, data types, and the description into your table. To switch between views, simply click View from the Views group of Home tab. From the drop-down list, choose the view you want.
Entering data, the datasheet view. To enter data into the table in the datasheet view, type the value in the respective fields. Press the Tab key to move to the next field to type its value. When you press the Tab key in the last field, the insertion point moves to the first field in the next line. Remember, the table structure is created in the design view of a table. To enter data into a table, use datasheet view.
Manipulating data. Manipulation means to make changes in the data. The following modifications can be done on a table in Microsoft Access. Add a new record or row. To add a new record, place the cursor at the last value of the last field or column and simply press the Tab key. Add a new field or column. To add a new column, right-click on the column header and choose the Insert Field option. A new field is inserted to the left of selected field. Update a record. To update or modify a record, simply click in the cell you want to update and type the new value. Delete a row or column. To delete a particular row or column, select the entire record or entire column by clicking on the row header or column header and press the delete key or right-click the mouse and select Delete Record or Delete Field option. Click Yes to confirm. Practical in Computer Lab. Open the database Reminder. Select some records in the table Friends. Apply different modification operations on this table. Relationship. After you have created multiple tables in your Microsoft Access database, you need a way to tell Access how to bring that information together again. The first step in this process is to define relationships between the tables. After creating relationships, you can create queries, forms, and reports to display information from several tables at once. A relationship works by matching data in key fields, usually a field with the same name in both tables. In most cases, these matching fields are the primary key from one table, which provides a unique identifier for each record, and a foreign key in the other table. For example, students can be associated with their result by creating relationship between the students table and the results table using the roll number field. To create a relationship, follow the given steps. Step 1. Create both the tables and open one of them in the datasheet view. Click the Table tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the Relationships from the Relationships group. The Show Table dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the table and then click the Add button. Select another table to link. Click the Add button. Step 4. Click the Close button. Step 5. Drag the primary key of the parent table, here Students table, and drop it into the same field in the Child table, here Result table. The Edit Relationships dialog box appears. Step 6. Click the Create button. You see the relationship created. Save your work. Practical in Computer Lab. Create relationship between two tables on the basis of common primary key. Guidelines. Step 1. Create two tables. Step 2. Assign a primary key to one field in both the tables. This field should be common in both the tables, for example, roll number. Step 3. Save the tables and click the Table tab, Relationships from the Relationships group. Step 4. Add both the tables from the Show Table dialog box. Click the Close button. Step 5. Drag the field roll number of one table and drop it over the other table. The relationship is created. Access 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Relationships command from the Relationships group of Table or Table tab to create a relationship between two tables in Access 2013 or 2016.
Opening an existing Access database.
To open an existing Access database, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File tab. Step 2. Click Open option from the Backstage view. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Look for the folder where the database is saved. Step 4. Select the required database to open and click the Open button. The selected database gets opened. Access 2013 or 2016 updates. To open an existing database in Access 2013 or 2016, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File or File tab. Step 2. Click the Open option from the Backstage view. Step 3. On the Open pane, click the Computer option, Browse button. Or on the Open pane, click the Browse option. The Open dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the database and click Open button. Keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus S to save a database. Press Ctrl plus O to open an existing database. Press F2 to rename a table. Press Alt plus F4 to quit Microsoft Access. More fun in lab. Perform the following tasks. Create a database having the following two tables. Cricketer register and cricketer profile. Set cricketer ID as primary key for both the tables. Also set a relationship between these two tables. Key points. Database is a collection of related tables with data. Microsoft Access is a powerful program to create and manage databases. Table is a collection of data about a specific topic. A table structure identifies the name, size, and types of various fields. Primary key refers to one or more fields, columns, which uniquely identify each record in a table.